Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to use GradeTransferer's score converter feature so you can fill grades to populate the special codes in PowerTeacher Pro like missing, collected, and excused. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to GradeTransferer's advanced settings and find the score converter tab. And you'll want to turn the score converter to on so that any rules we set up will apply. We're going to scroll down to our score converter singular area. This is where we'll set our rules. So on the left side, we're going to put any information as it is originally grabbed, and on the right side, we will put the two-letter capital code to match the action that we want in PowerTeacher Pro. So for example, if I'm grabbing a 0 from my grabbing platform and I want it to populate as the missing code, well, in PowerTeacher Pro, that missing code, we want to put in the two first capital letters, capital M, capital I. So I set my rule like that, and I add it to my list of rules. Another example, if I'm going to grab a check mark, like from an ungraded assignment in Google Classroom, that is grabbed as the word symbol. So I would put the word symbol on my left side, and then let's say I want to make it collected in PowerTeacher Pro. Well, I'm going to put capital C-O and add that. And let's say I grab the word excused from Google Classroom. I can map that to the code capital EX for the excused symbol in PowerSchool. And so when I have my score converter on and I go to grab these grades, the rules that I have set will apply, and GradeTransferer will automatically convert them using the rules I've set up. They'll fill into PowerTeacher Pro as those indicated codes. And it is that simple. For more advanced settings and troubleshooting tips, be sure to check out our other PowerTeacher Pro videos. If this video helped you, share it with a fellow teacher so they can save time and avoid typos too. That's all for now. Happy transferring.